Can start.
Okay. Oh, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Gurave Namaha, Akhandamandalakaram, Vyaptam Yena Characharam, Tatpadam Darshitam Yena, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Namaste Sharada Devi, Kashmir Puravasini, विद्यादानं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा ओम श्री सद्गुरुदेवाय नमः. Let's begin. So you were all able to install Git, Node and Visual Studio on your machine and the terminal. Is anybody still not able to do that or has any pending step there?
Can you repeat the word? I just lost the connection.
Yeah. So are you all able to finish the part of installing Windows Terminal, Node, Git, and Visual Studio on your machine?
No, that is done, but only
Hmm.
that student made zip files have to be Rajita ji said she will show me.
That's fine. It's that's what we will be doing today.
Okay.
So I think that portion is actually not an issue. Okay, very good. So now what I want you all to do is open up your workplace folder like this. You made a workplace folder.
No.
So in your
What is a workplace folder?
you have to make a workplace
MKDI.
folder.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me again open up the command prompt like this. So
So, Dhaval, are you opening the Windows terminal?
yeah, Windows terminal. You will get into the users and your username. It is either Light of the Self Foundation or your personal username. Here you make a workplace folder, mkdir workplace.
So I can open a command prompt also, right?
You can open a command prompt. Terminal will be better with respect to what it can do. Command prompt will have some limitations.
Okay.
Yeah,
It comes as Windows PowerShell. Is that okay?
that's fine.
Okay.
PowerShell is also fine.
Why am I not seeing Windows terminal? I have downloaded.
Yeah. Yeah, you can download. And there is a link in this document. So we have created a document. Where is that document? Let me. Student made development. UI development setup. Yeah, UI development setup document is there. Let me share it here in chat. So it links to all the installation applications as well as some steps on what you can do. And what I want you all to do is, even if you have created a student made folder in the workplace and saved this Visual Studio folder in the workplace, I want you all to delete it. If you made any changes, then let me know. Otherwise, if you have not made any changes in that one, I want you all to just delete it. So if I go here,
complete that student mate.
yeah, complete student mate folder, and whatever Visual Studio workspace you have also created. So what the way you can, go there is your own user folder. If you click on from desktop or somewhere, you will see the workplace folder, and select whatever is there and just delete it. You can share your screen if you want, so that I can guide you through that.
So inside workspace, entire student made folder is there, Dhavalji.
Yeah,
That we have to
delete,
delete, right?
delete.
Okay.
So, Dhaval, my Windows terminal shows C users admin.
So you are an admin user, right? So
Yeah.
within that, create the workplace folder.
Directly in the admin, I should create.
Yeah. As long as you are going to keep on using that, whatever account you are typically using, that account you create the workplace.
And one more
Why
thing.
can't I do it directly from that folder, new directory, like that?
You can do it. You can directly do it in Windows as well, Explorer as well, or you can do it this way. You were asking something, Anupama ji or Rajita ji?
Dhavalji, it's me,
Hmm.
Rajita ji.
Hmm.
So, what about that VS Studio, that folder? You
Yeah, delete everything. Delete everything inside workplace. Nothing should be remain.
Okay.
It's just empty. It should be empty.
So, Dhaval, I can just go to a D drive also, and there I can just create, or should it be in C drive only?
No, you can create wherever you want, as
Wherever I
long
want.
as you are,
Okay. Okay.
going to refer to that place.
Yeah, got it.
It's not necessary that you create here, but what typically happens is when you open up command prompt,
C will come. Yeah.
it will go there. So that's why, for convenience, at times we create there.
Yeah. So, okay, in admin only, I will create one. Users admin.
Okay, now then there is one more step I will add to our GitHub portion. So I'll say configure Git.
It is telling action can't be completed because the folder or file is open in another program.
Yeah, so if it's open in a terminal, then you need to close that terminal, or if it's open in VS Code, you need to close VS Code.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'll add another step here after installation of Git, which is configure Git. So this should be like, say, Trivedi dot Trivedi at whiskits.pro. Okay. So after you are done installing Git and you are done removing the student made portion, you should do something like this in the terminal. Okay. You all keep on, keep this document open so that whatever I'm typing in here, you will be able to copy and paste. and you need to change the name here and then press enter.
Dhavalji, is that our Git name that we have used in Git?
Yeah, it's a name you should be specifying for Git, especially in the GitHub configuration we have. So that will be reflected here.
Dhavalji, what is the name of the document?
Yeah, I will paste it here, the link. It's called UI development setup.
You are now trying to configure the Git, right? That is what
Yes.
you're okay. And what are these links that you are sending? The first one and the second one. Okay, document.
That document is the link to this document. So that
UI development set.
yeah, UI development setup. It's also available directly in our docs.google.com, but otherwise you can use this one.
It says you need access.
Oh, okay, wait.
The first one, I think.
Yeah, both are the same actually. So let me see. Anyone in this group, are you using this document?
Wiskits.guru, you use
Oh, okay,
that.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
okay, okay.
So in the terminal, we need to paste that GitHub thing, right,
Yeah,
Dhavalji?
once you are done with Git, you have to install, do these three things.
Git after installing Git only,
Yeah,
Git
yeah.
config.
If Git is not there, it will not work.
No, it's there. It's there.
Okay.
Hey, this what's happening is if I cannot copy paste this, and if I'm clicking on this, it is going to some other account and opening there.
You want to share your screen? I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where am I? This is my GitHub. This is my Git. I have just now logged in. Okay, this is the one. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. No, now what is the issue?
No, you said configure GitHub. So how do I do that? And
Okay, so go to command prompt now, the terminal now. Yeah, there. Now, in the document, that docs.google.com document, the UI development setup one, you have to do two things. One is configure your username here. So I'll paste that command in the command chat window.
Chat window, if you paste the word, it will not copy paste.
Oh, it will not copy paste. Okay. Then you need to open that document.
Git config global username double query. So I should go to GitHub, right?
No, here only. Just paste that command here.
Where is the command?
This
Git
git
config.
config,
Git
git config.
Config
Global.
Global
User.name.
user. I'm not able to see. 1 second. User dot name.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. And no, so you should specify this one, your username here. So you can just repeat the command and change it. It will update the username. Yeah.
How do I know what is my username?
You can just specify your name. I mean, it's going to use it for labeling purposes. So, if you have a username that you want to use, definitely, yeah.
So I can give anything new here.
Any name here, yeah.
Okay.
And user email is more important. So now the next one is user email. Let me paste that here. Yeah. So that you need to change to your whiskits.guru email.
Done?
Oh, yes. Now the third command that we want to add is that of this one. I will paste it here. So here only you need to specify that command again.
And why are we doing this Git configuration in a workplace folder, inside a workplace folder?
So this is a global configuration. It's not related to workplace. It is actually configuring it in your machine.
Oh, it's configuring in my machine. Okay.
Yeah. So this will be available throughout anywhere. So this is the third command. Here also replace this with your email.
Git is also removed. There is no
Yeah, Git is also removed.
SSH keygen
Space dash T
dash T ed 25519.
space dash capital C. Yeah.
Should I give space after C?
Yeah.
Okay.
Enter.
Something happened.
Yes.
Okay.
Enter. Now, you can use a password that you will be able to remember for these kind of Git related things.
If I don't want a password,
then you can skip it.
Oh, Dhavalji, it is not showing created directory to me.
Created directory. But did it ask the other part? Enter file to which to save the key?
Yes.
And does it generate because created directly is not required if you are already having .ssh file directory. Okay, so it is probably meaning that you have created the directory already, but it will say this message: your public key has been saved in users admin ssh id ed.pub. That message will be there.
so this is how a key will look like.
Yeah, so now next step you will need to do is this one. Just a second.
It's not there, Dhavalji.
Sorry, Dhavalji, what should be the file name? Can we give any name?
No. Let it be the default name.
Okay, so enter file in which I'll just say enter. It'll let me generate.
Sorry, say that again, please.
Enter the file in which to save the key.
Yeah, enter. Just
I'll
press
just enter. Yeah, okay. And it'll overwrite. I'll say yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's already existing the file.
Oh, you have an exist. So yeah, because you are already
I've
connected
done
to
this
GitHub.
all this before. Yeah.
Yeah. So I
enter
think
passphrase.
yeah, if you can keep it empty, Anupamaji.
Okay.
Okay, so once you are all done with this,
Hmm.
it's going to be a simple thing now. Let me see what is going to work on a Windows machine. So now you need to copy.
What should we copy?
Just a minute, I'm figuring that out for Windows. We should be copying the file that is generated here. So let me do that myself so that I can give you the right step. And
Dhavalji, I'm getting different thing.
hmm.
Object SSH keygen, the term is not recognized as the name of the.
Rajita, you share your screen, no? I stop sharing.
Ha. This is what I'm getting, Dhavalji. Listen.
Okay.
Initially,
Oh, yours is a older Windows installation, it seems.
older.
So you go to the start menu and Git bash. Go to the Git bash. Yeah. Yeah. So now type the same command SSH keygen 1 and paste it here. You might need to type it if it's not working.
It's not working. Okay, I will type it.
Yeah.
Two, 5519. Okay. Yes, Dhavalji. After this, enter file in which to save the key.
Enter. Just press enter. Enter. Enter.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now you can now switch to the terminal if you want. See users divide with the .ssh.
This Windows terminal.
Yeah.
So how to check that it is?
How to check what?
How to check GitHub is configured
Working or not? Yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
We'll come to that. So there is one more step required now. No,
Okay.
two more steps required now.
Okay.
So the next step is I'll paste in the chat this command. So instead of the dy3 folder, you will need to replace it with your folder. But I've written the command This will copy that key to the clipboard.
Where I have to type, Dhavalji? Git bash or?
Yeah, either, it will, any of them will work, but prefer the terminal. Otherwise it's not working, then use the git bash.
It's not working. Object not found. It is telling.
Okay, so you paste it here.
I can't paste as I did earlier. I have to type.
It says the module SSH could not be loaded.
It's dot SSH, no? Or just SSH?
No,
Dot
it's dot
SSH.
SSH.
No, you have to say type. First you have to say type. I think you're saying something wrong.
No, type, I didn't understand. So we have to see, PS is there.
No, type is the command. So I'm not
Type has
saying you to
become.
type. I'm saying type the command type.
No, I didn't understand. Where should this type word come?
Yeah, in the first, like you're using other commands, type is also a command.
But by default, something, how do I go there and say type? So I will show you something. 1 second.
Wait, I'll stop sharing.
Okay. So if you see this, Dhaval, I don't know where can you type.
Yeah,
Where?
so before .ssh,
Huh.
you need to say
Okay.
type. And you need to provide the proper path for this. So it is
Type,
not going to
no space, right? No space.
no, there will be space, type,
Huh.
space. Now C colon slash users
Oh, okay. The
slash,
whole thing you are giving. Okay.
yeah,
C.
users,
Users. Let me.
admin
Spelling
slash,
error.
yeah. That's it. Workplace is not required. Just .ssh, yeah. And
Dhavalji,
users has a typo. So users, you can, yeah.
Dhavalji, I got an error that a positional parameter cannot be found that accepts the argument of.
Yeah, you can share your,
Share.
yeah. Type. Yeah, so basically this is because you're trying to go to a folder which is having spaces. So for you, you will have to wrap it up in quotes. So let me see. Type C user slide of the self. It will be this way. .ssh. So I should refine my development setup doc to include that kind of a user.
Or should I create a new folder without any space?
No, wait a minute. What is the issue now? Did you wrap it in quotes? See, I'll tell you a simpler way. Just type space C:/users/light. Yeah, now press tab. Yeah. Yeah, now replace Codium with SSH. Yeah. .ssh /id. Press tab. .pub. No, pub should be inside that port. Yeah. Now, yeah, come out of the code and now
Space.
space that pipe clip.exe. Yeah. Now, does it throw any problem? No, right.
No.
Very good. So now all of us keys are generated and
Dhavalji,
yes.
For me, it is showing some error.
Yeah, yeah.
Not
Show
found.
me.
I will share.
Fortunately, this is not a process we'll have to do all the time. So this is a one-time setup.
This is the one it is showing. In
Yeah,
bash, git bash.
no. So go back till Kaushik folder. Yeah, just delete until that. Now, yeah, slash .ssh.
Yeah. Slash.
Yeah. ID. Press tab. Does it come?
No, it's not coming.
Oh, because in your case it is you're using git bash, right?
Git bash. Yeah, yes.
Okay, sorry. So for you will need to do this, okay? Type. Oh, so you don't even need to do type. You can
Okay.
say cat C users. I'm typing it in the no, keep that screen, please. I'll tell you the command. Keep
Oh,
that screen.
I'll open that screen. Huh?
Yeah. Cat users.
Type should not be there. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, because this is bash.
Okay.
That is
So,
why, if possible, whenever possible, I would want you all to work with the Windows terminal because here the things change.
okay. So here, cat, CAT.
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Type becomes cat.
Okay. Other things, same, huh?
No. I pasted the command. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's a
Chat box.
yeah.
Chat box.
Hmm.
Okay.
See if you can just paste the command. Right click and paste. Do a right click here.
Here.
Yeah. Paste. Oh, it's not pasting. Okay.
Space, I think. Huh? Space should be there.
Yeah, C. It's actually going to be easy. /C/
Users.
It will be autocomplete from this point.
Slash. Oh, shit.
Yeah. .ssh.
SSH. Slash ID. Underscore ED.
Press tab. You can just press tab. See if it autocompletes.
Yes.
.pub.
.pub.
Space.
Space.
Clip.exe.
Maybe Dhaval, if you can put it in AI apps or somewhere, we can copy from Zoom chat. Chat doesn't allow us to copy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
Gayatri ji, the
sorry.
document he is updating.
Okay.
We can copy it from the document.
But,
Even the
that document is also not opening, no, because it's opening for in a different account. Anyways,
no,
so
I was
then-
Okay.
able to copy, but in Git Bash I was not able to paste it. This is
To
different.
be, I mean, to
I'm
you
able to, oh, you do it using chat. So should I make you all co-host or something? Will you be able to copy it?
now I think more or less we are done. So don't
No,
worry
we are
about
I'll
this.
try that.
Yeah. More or
co-host
less
can
we are done.
copy.
Try that. Now I made.
Okay.
Because as a host, I was able to copy.
Mm.
Okay. Now, but it's okay. Don't worry too much about it. Now I'll share my screen again.
Dhavalji, for me, type is working, but that clip it's saying it's not finding.
Okay, I'll stop sharing.
So just if you type, then whatever it types out on the terminal, just copy that.
That's it.
Hey, thank
But
you.
Ashwini
It's
ji, you are
working.
already done.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ashwini, make everybody co-host. No, I'm able to copy now. Yeah.
Made it.
Ashwini ji, I think your GitHub is already set up, right? You committed
Yes.
from command line.
Yes. No, not from, yeah. Yes.
You're committed
No, I
from
did it
command line, right?
command line or from, I don't remember if I did it from VS Code.
Okay, but anyways, I mean, if you know, we'll see what to do. You can still do this exercise. I'll share my screen and show you what is the final step here. By the way, actually, Rajita ji has done it in a pretty advanced way. You know, she is very close to a Unix subsystem way of doing things, which is what I would eventually want us to do. You know, Windows offers one more advanced way of doing that thing, you know, by allowing you to install Linux on Windows. So if you can see this icon here, it's actually Linux on Windows. And
So Rajita was working on Linux. Is that so, Dhavalji?
no, hers is an intermediate step where it makes it appear like it is Linux, but it is not Linux. But nowadays with Windows 10, there is one more way where it actually installs Linux. And Linux and Windows work together. So if you see my workplace folder, it opens up here, you know, and it is actually inside my Linux installation. So what happens is that my development environment is in Linux, and that's very powerful because you get to use a lot of tools which are, you know, offered by development community, which we will eventually learn, but right now it's not important. Yeah. So what I want you to finally do is go to your GitHub account, log in there, our WizKids GitHub account, and log in there and go to settings.
Settings.
Okay, and this, are we going to live stream this?
Wait.
Getting live
How
stream.
did you go to the settings, Dhaval?
Yeah, so we have to go to the account here on the top right, and go to settings. Yeah, then I'll need to regenerate another SSH key for myself. And whoever else has generated it on the live stream, change it and update it again. But basically, I will delete this key. And now there are no SSH keys here. So you do new SSH key. Okay, give whatever title you want.
So Dhaval, we could have created a SSH key from here also, right?
No. It is actually the one that is supposed to be present in our desktop.
Oh, okay. That is different, and this what you're doing now is different.
No, it's the same thing. Whatever we generated in desktop is the one that needs to be put here so
Okay.
that it is able to relate that you are the one actually pushing this GitHub code.
Okay, it says I don't, right now it says for us that there are no SH.
No keys.
Okay.
Yeah. So click on new SSH key, give a title ThinkPad or whatever. Like, I mean, it can be any SSH key, any title, and just do a Control V here.
Dhavalji, where is that SSH key? That I went to settings from there.
Yeah. So settings.
Yes, I got it. Left
SSH
side.
and GPG keys on the
Yes.
left side. Yeah, SSH and GPG keys.
Okay.
There you say new SSH key.
Okay.
Say ThinkPad.
Title.
Sorry, say any name that you would want to give for your machine.
So, Dhaval, how did you get that key? From where should we copy?
So it's already copied. That clip command you executed, right? So that's the one that copies that SSH key.
Okay. So we should come here and where should we say paste?
Here in the key.
Yeah. Oh no, I got something else because I copied something else after that.
Yeah. So you will again need to execute that clip command and paste it here.
So this is a good thing you're teaching, Dhavalji, because I didn't do these steps, and I struggled a lot when I had to first do my first commit because it was taking. I had another ID which was there in that SSH key thing. Yeah, not my WizKids.guru account, my personal account I had. So it took me a long time using ChatGPT to figure out why it was taking my personal mail ID instead of my WizKids Guru. And then it is already.
We clicked on add the key, so it's over.
Dhavalji,
now we can see your key here.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, we can see.
But
yes, tell me what question you have.
What should I do after typing the name?
Okay, so I'll show you again.
Ajita, share your screen now.
Yeah. No, I would say don't share your screen.
Okay.
So type in a name, give a name for your key.
Yeah, that is done.
Okay, and go to the key, text area.
Okay.
And do Control V.
Yes.
So it will paste a key like this.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, ensure that there are no lines here. Okay, if it's entering a line, then just do a backspace and come back to here.
Yes.
Okay, and then click on add SSH key.
Okay.
Yes,
done. Thank you.
Dhavalji, it is not actually copying the key.
For you?
Yeah. So where can I copy the key from?
You have to click clip.exe. Share your screen. This is nice exercise.
Oh God. Share the screen.
Very nice and very important also.
I should go here.
Yeah, so it copied, right? It
Should I give enter again?
No. You type this command and just to enter again. Yeah, now go to your GitHub account. Yeah. So it's doing that, but I would recommend that now since you have live streamed this, you don't use this key anymore.
So every time I execute that clip.exe, a new key will be generated, Dhaval?
No, every time you execute SSH keygen, it will create a new key.
Okay.
Clip is just for copying that key.
That's all. Okay.
And pasting here. Clip is clipboard. Okay. So see what happens is this key is actually a very secret key. Okay.
Okay, Ashwini, you please cut all these things, okay? Before
Anybody,
you upload this.
Yeah, or anybody who has access to this key can access the GitHub repository and do whatever they want to do with this repository.
And Ashwini is keeping this unlisted, so that is safe enough.
Okay, yeah, if it is unlisted, well and good.
Yeah,
Okay.
this all these videos are unlisted.
And I would recommend you remove the empty line here, although I think GitHub will handle that. But press one time backspace. Yeah, now click on add key.
To be on the safer side. Do the exercise again. It's good for you.
Add SSH key. Pray. Did you click, Anupama, did you click? No, there only green button is there, no? Go, yeah, that's all.
Anupama ji, you generate it again. It's a good exercise. You generate a new key and put it again.
Ashwini said she will not delete. You people do it again. That's
Yeah, too much work for me.
Yeah.
To search exactly where it is and delete it.
Okay, so now that this is done,
yeah.
Okay, now I would want you all to go back to the Windows terminal and go in the workplace folder. You went there? Okay, now switch to your GitHub browser tab. And go. Okay, so I think we need to click, we need to exit this section. Go to your personal profile. Click on that one on the top right. Go to your personal profile.
Where?
Top right. Top right.
Public profile is there.
Personal profile. Go to your personal profile. That one. Yeah. Okay. Repositories. Oh, so this is showing your personal profile. Okay, go to the organizations one on the bottom left here. WizKids Gurukul. Very good. So now go to StudentMate UI. Yeah. And there is a code green button here. Yeah. Drop that down. In that, there is a tab called SSH.
Wait. Dhaval, we have to see this screen and our screen. So after going to StudentMate UI, what did you say?
Yeah, so click on the green code button.
Oh, that is not it. Yeah. Okay.
And inside that, there is an SSH tab.
Yes.
Now, there is a text there, git@github.com, and there is a copy button there.
Yeah,
Copy that one.
Yes, copied.
Now, go to your terminal, Windows terminal.
Yeah.
And type git space clone CLONE space and paste it. Control V. Yeah.
The authenticity of the host cannot be established.
Yes. Press say yes.
You sure you want to say yes or no? I should say yes. Permanently added to the list of no.
Yeah. Now go to do cd space StudentMate-UI. Yeah, here only.
-UI.
Enter.
Just studentmate.ui.git. Oh, .git.
Dhavalji, I didn't.
Cannot find the path.
Should I do it in Git Bash or Windows Terminal?
Now you are good with even Windows Terminal. If it does not work, then you will need to do it in Git Bash.
It is not working. Okay, I will do it.
Vaishali.
GitHub Biscuit Gurukula. CD StudentMate UI, not Git. Okay.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
.ui. Yeah, it worked. 863. I have to leave at 6:20. I have to go down.
Okay.
How to regenerate the key? Key.
SSH. No. Go to your terminal.
हाँ.
Go ऊपर.
हाँ.
Terminal में ऊपर यार, scroll ऊपर. That command is there, no? Keygen. ऊपर और ऊपर.
The third thing, this one.
Yeah, SSH keygen. That is the.
That I have to generate and paste it there, right?
No, you don't have to. Yeah. So when you come down here, come here to your current terminal may come down to the last prompt here. Come down further. Yes. Till your prompt is, yeah. Click on up arrow. Up arrow. Again, click. That command will come. SSH key. Because all your commands, this one. No, don't do now. I'm just telling you. After that, you follow the instructions Dhaval has given. That's all. Ashwini, all this must be easy for you.
Yes, I had done this before, no? I did in a long cut way.
Why?
Struggled a lot.
ChatGPT was telling you.
No. What happened is I had a personal account and had Git configured for that. And then for Biscuits Guru, I tried to push from Biscuits Guru to Git, but it was taking the personal account one. I didn't know why. Now when Dhavalji explained these steps, I had not done. Git. From command line only everything I was doing. Now what he has done is he has linked your whatever SSH key to that Git, right? He has copied a key there and he has put it there, and that is what he's linked it. That linking I had not done. So I struggled a lot to figure out why it was taking my personal account and not what I was telling it to do. Then using ChatGPT, for hours together, I kept trying and then figured it out. I don't know what. And then
you learned it.
I've written down all the commands, but this is an easier way, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Now do a dir here. Enter.
Oh, nice.
Good. Now do npm space install.
npm space. Install is double L or one L?
Yeah, double L. So all these things remain the same like we did last time. This you can run from here, you can install from here. But the good thing is that now this is connected to our GitHub. So now do npm space.
It says 3 moderate severity vulnerabilities.
That's it. That's fine. It was like 20 and we brought it down to 3. So npm run.
npm
Run dev, dev.
Space dev.
Great. Go to your browser. Yeah, you can directly open.
It showed something local host 5173.
Yeah. You can open that link.
Okay, I should open this. Okay, it opened.
Yay. So now this is
but
the
it's
same
a
application.
page. Is that what? No, right?
Sorry?
Is it supposed to be? Yeah, Biscuits Gurukul has come. Yeah.
Yeah. So now this is, the same thing which we did last time, but now that this is connected to Git, whatever changes you will make will be, connected to our source code system. So then you can send those for review. So now the workflow will be like, we will have tasks assigned to each of us. You can work within Bolt or within GitHub Copilot or Git, any AI tool of your choice. Just a minute.
Hey, again, I'm not getting that Git
Share your screen.
If you get that, I'm getting one error, which I've resolved. If it's the same thing, we can do. If it is saying that set execution policy, no? Let's see what is your way.
see this. See, I'm getting this in Git Bash. I'm doing. In terminal also it was not working.
Wait,
So,
where are you going?
no such file or directory.
No. You should go to this one here. Which is the path?
Terminal, huh?
No, you didn't write git clone. Just go back. Go back. Wait, what was the thing? No, git clone you have not written here. Before that, you should write
Oh, correct.
git clone, git space clone.
Here, no? This command. Git space clone and then
that thing, yeah.
Okay. That I missed. Okay. See, Ashwini ji has become master now.
I know, I also made the same mistake just now. That's why. Copy that here.
Wait, I'll use tab.
I'll go to the beginning and write git space.
Git clone, right?
Clone.
Space, huh?
Space. Yeah, enter. Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Wait, what is it saying? Something failed. Could not read from remote repository. How come?
Host key verification failed. Are you sure you want to continue?
Oh, this one. You gave any password, huh? No.
Which one?
That, no?
Cloning happened, no?
No, this key is not on. You have put that, you have taken the same thing, what you have done that, no steps there.
Git.
Wait.
Git.
Git, in the Git.
Huh?
In the Git, you have taken the correct one, no?
Yeah.
It says for me also.
SSH.
It says for me also that could not be established. Do you want to proceed or something? Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Are you getting something like that?
Yeah, it came.
Yes.
Yeah. Say yes.
Oh, you didn't say yes, sir. That's right.
Yes.
Say yes.
Do the same. I should say yes, sir.
That's why it didn't come. You had to say. Now do one thing. No.
Up arrow you do.
Up arrow. Don't do everything. Go back. Up arrow. Press. Enter. Wait. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Press
right?
yes. Enter. Perfect. Now what is the next command you have to do after that? Yes.
Go to that CD to the student made CD tab.
CD student made CD space student made hyphen UI. Student made hyphen.
Tab will come, I think.
Hyphen UI. Press enter. Super. And now what you have to say?
NPM install.
dir. Now do dir.
So this is a Unix prompt. See if dir works. Try and see.
Press enter.
Oh, wonderful. It's working.
And now npm install. npm space install. And then next is npm run dev. Okay. Let it do. So Dhaval, do we have any more commands that we have to do?
No. So see now what I want to do is show you a simple thing.
Hey, don't do anything, Rajita.
Dhavalji, if you're documenting all these steps,
yeah.
I got that. I got one error for which I had to give one more command. It was saying this execution policy, it was not recognizing my running the scripts is disabled on this system. So then I set the execution policy as bypass. I just send that steps just in case anybody else also gets.
Oh, but is yours a corporate machine or something like that?
No.
Now type Rajita npm space run space dev.
No, Ashwini ji, you be careful with this, okay? Once you have installed it, you set it back to
enter.
Set it back to normal.
Okay, how do I do that? Okay, I will find out. Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
because this you made an exception. Ensure that the exception is taken back
Where is your
after
screen?
Okay.
um,
But
this
then
is
no, this was the error I had actually.
Double class will start double.
okay. So now, yeah, this is running on your local and
Vijay, नहीं double Rajita's biscuits didn't come, no?
It came.
It came. Okay, done.
yeah, it is not going to run because it got server got stopped because we pressed the Control C, which is
Okay.
the same command for breaking. But still, I think it is good. You have installed it. If you do npm run dev, it will start the server. Just do npm run dev again. Yeah. Go back to your browser window. Just refresh. So this is now very good, because all of our GitHub connection is done. So whatever work we assign within ourselves and do, it will come back as code change to me. And we will be able to, review and set right directions for all the changes. That is what we wanted.
Okay.
So this allows collaboration between all of us.
Okay.
And if things go wrong, we can easily revert to an earlier state. This involves version management as well. So if things go wrong, which obviously it will, so we will be able to easily revert to an earlier working state. So we don't have to worry about, committing something that may not work. Okay.
Yes, we got it.
All right. Okay, let's close for today. We can meet tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, Dhavalji.
Thank you, Dhaval.
Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tatsat Shri Gurupyo Namaha Harihi Om. See you